How to add images and edit banner in Square website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or modify the images or the banners that you have in your Square online website, or how you can add them from the beginning. So it is going to be a very simple step or very procedure to do. We are going to head over here squareup.com. We're going to sign in into our account, and then you're going to see this specific dashboard. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, is to head over the left side of the screen on the quick access. We're going to see that we have some of the items. We're going to click on online. So when you click on online, you're going to see the website that you have or you have created. If you have created a website on Square, which is going to be online here on the item online, it is going to be okay. It will show you here normally the dashboard of that website, also the possibility on how we can edit the website itself. So you're going to set up everything like the items, you can modify the website, add a domain, set up the SEOs, and also set up the form submissions and etc. We're going to click on edit website. So we are going to basically here see the website and how we can modify it or edit the content that we need on it. Basically, we are going to have some banners, and these banners could be edited, of course. How we can edit the banner? So, as you can see, everything has a name into the website. For example, here we have the header. And when you click on it, you're going to see different items that we have in here. So, for example, I'm going to have to click on banner or the main banner. And as you can see, we have a background that is, I think, empty. So we can go ahead and have, I apologize, but the content of this banner is not going to be empty. It is going to be here an image. We're going to click on the image like that. And we're going to see the background media. So it is going to be an image, a video, or nothing. We're going to put image. Now we can go ahead and edit the image. Click on edit. So we are going basically to edit the image by improving the readability, putting some zoom in or out, strengthening right there as you can see, or straighten the specific, as you can see, rotation. You can have some rotation right there and here. Also, you can rotate the image or revert to the original image without any, as you can see, editing. These are going to be the editing that you're going to add or set up to the banner. So we are going to cancel or exit this. Now, how we can replace the image? You're going to click on three dots in here and click on replace. Once in here, you're going to see the images that you have, the logos, the premium photos, and also Instagram if you have a connected Instagram account. Now, what I'm going to do is to have one of the images that I have put. I think that I have an image in here. So we are going to upload it real quick. And we can also have the alternative text set up for the SEO purposes. Now I'm going to wait for the image to upload, and then we're going to see what kind of editing we can add. This is the option how we can add and edit the image into this specific area. So we are going to have the image. I'm going to click on done, and then we are going to see our image. So it is going to be changing. Boom. Here we have the image. Now, when I click to edit, you're going to see the same, as you can see, editing. So if you want to put some zoom in, zoom out, strengthen or straightening the image, as you can see, we are going to do some rotations. And also the readability, as you can see, it is going to be in a form of a filter. So it is going to be shadowy filters, so you're going to make it readable and irreadable just like that. So you're going to put the white, so it is going to not decrease the readability or make it a little bit transparent. So I'm going to exit that. Now, what is or what type of content that you can add to the banner? So basically, as you can see, we have here some text. So you can have here some text added, and you can go ahead and add, for example, a tagline, a text, a headline, and then you can modify basically whatever you want from this text. For example, you can type in whatever you want in here, but with the position, I don't know if we can here magnify the position of it, but I think that it is going to be strictly in the middle. So the content we cannot modify yet. So if I go here to the, as you can see here, the layout and the color, I think that we can do something about it. So let's see here if we're going to have something, and here it is. So if I change the layout, as you can see, we can go ahead and have the things set up in here. So you can set up the alignment of the text in wherever you want on the thing. So you can go ahead and have the text in here, put the text right there, or have whatever you have set. For example, I'm going to modify the text that we have just like that, that we've had it in here. So we can go ahead and put it from scratch to the alignment to the middle. For example, you can put it to the right, or also the section height, you can go ahead and modify it to small, medium, large, whatever. So, by the way, it is going to be a, let's say, here customizable way. Also, you can go ahead and set up the color style. You can go ahead and have the default or whatever you want. I'm going to ignore this banner in here. So here you can go ahead and add some items. I think that it is going to be a section. So we can go ahead and add a section, and that section is going to be something. So you can have here, let's say, some image galleries, some informations, forms, whatever. So let's say that we are going to add images. So you can go ahead and select from here image gallery, text an image, and whatever. We're going to set up the image gallery. So we are going to put, for example, this one. I'm going to have these images. How we can add the images in here. So you can go ahead and change the layout of them to this or whatever you want. Now I'm going to click on done. So here we are going to click on here. This is the first image, second, third, and etc. I'm going to choose the image, click on done, and we're going to see the image uploading for the first quadrant or the square. So if you are going to add the image to another, let's say here, as you can see, cell or something in here, it's not what I wanted to do, but you can see that we can add multiple images. So you can add another image just like that by clicking on here. So you're going to have the same, as you can see, image that I have added. Also, you can go ahead and link it to another button. And that was pretty much it for today's video. Do not forget to click on publish when you finish everything in here. And here you have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.